Hello guys, you're watching Android tutorials by Dhara Shah presented by Technologies. So let's go further in our series. We have already installed our Android Studio, that is over here, you can see that. And now we are going to start with our new project, how to create a new project in Android. So for creating a new project in Android, you can click on the first option, that is a start new Android Studio project. Once you click on it, it will show you one of the dialog boxes wherein the wizard will help you create the new project. So starting with the first thing, that is the application name. You can give the name of your application. So I'll just give the name of my application as Android series. So whatever we'll be doing in this series, I'll be storing in this particular project. Next we have is the company domain. So whenever you are creating an application, you might be creating for any of the particular company or based on any of the particular client, though you need to provide the company domain of that particular client. That will help you to generate your package name over here. You can see the package name. So I have given my company name as rexantechnologies.com. So my package name comes to com.rexantechnologies.android series. That is the name of my application. So basically the company domain will help you upload your project on the Play Store, and with the help of that it will also help you to search your application based on your company name also, that is in the package name, and also the application name that is also available in our package name. So I always recommend to give your company website details over here, so that will help you more when you are uploading your application to the Play Store. Now let us go to the next. So just click on the next button. From here you can select the SDKs and the API levels on which you are targeting your application. So either you want to create the application for a phone or an Android tablet or any Android Wear devices, that is Wear OS, or for Android TV or Android Auto or Android Things. So right now we are working with the Android mobiles and tablets, so we'll select phone and tablet from it. For every version that you are adding to your project, just select the API level, that is the version which you want to support in Android. So this will be the minimum version that will be supported. Any device having an OS lower than 5.0, suppose I have selected over here that is 5.0. So any OS less than 5.0, that is either KitKat or you can say Jelly Bean, will not be able to use our application. So I am selecting over here Android 5.0. You can see over here there is a line written over here that shows that it will run approximately on 85% of the devices. So out of the total 100 devices we have in Android, we'll be able to run our application on 85% of the devices, and I think that is a good amount of targeted audience. So just select Android 5.0, that's your wish. You can also select 4.2 or maybe 4.4, but for me I think 5.0 is the best. Okay, now just click on the next button. From here you can select an activity for your application, the activity, the screen that represents your app, right? So your app has multiple screens, so if every screen in Android is known as an activity. So you can select any of the activities that you want. There are multiple activities available over here, but as of now we'll be selecting the empty activity. We'll use one by one all the activities. I'll give you an all-round introduction to all the activities, but right now we'll start with the first one, that will be our empty activity. Just click on next. Once you select the empty activity, you will be asked to give a name to your activity. The default name over here will be the main activity. You can also change the name. This is the default recommended name. You can change the name if you want, and then just click on the finish button. So when you click on the finish button, the project will be generated and the files of the project will be built. So you just have to wait for a few seconds for the project to get ready for the coding. You can see over here it shows you the synchronizing of the project. So let your project synchronize, and it might take a few minutes to do that. I would recommend that please do not start any other program during this process, because it might take some time. So and even if you have a less amount of RAM, there is a possibility that it may take longer amount of time. Okay, so yeah, the recommended RAM for Android Studio will be around 8 GB. 4 GB laptops can also run the Android Studio, but obviously you just have to wait till it loads the thing. Yeah, so now you can see that the Gradle has finished the building, and you can see over here the time of amount it has taken for the finishing. And so that is the tutorial for creating a new project in Android Studio. I hope you like the video. Just get my contact details on the screen. Contact me if you have any problems related to your Android Studio project. Till then, keep watching our series for the next video. Thank you.